Last week on July 26, 2023, a SpaceX employee, Juan Padilla, filed a lawsuit on behalf of him and all the other SpaceX employees against Space Exploration Technologies, that's the actual legal entity, and basically sued, saying that they were given tasks if they were unable to do under the regular 8 hours. And apparently Elon Musk and the company would not approve the overtime, and there was a lawsuit. And employers in California sometimes try to argue they don't have to pay their employees for off the clock work because the employee didn't have authorization to work extra hours. These employers argue that if their employees want to work extra hours, it'll be on their dime. But that's not the law in California, and you have to be careful both as an employee and an employer. California Supreme Court has said that if an employer knows or should have known an employee was working off the clock and they stood idly by, the employer has to pay for those hours. And this rule stops employers from winning their argument that extra overtime work hours that were unauthorized shouldn't have compensated. If the employer required an employee to finish a workload that was possible to complete in the allotted time, an employer may be required to pay for off-the-clock hours spent to finish the task. Often the employer should have known that it wasn't possible to finish in the allotted time.